Hello guys, yes, in this tutorial I'll be basically making this sprocket for the tractor. This is the largest sprocket that I have. It's a 56T sprocket. Yeah, so I'll start straight away. I'll say new part, then say okay, setup, then I draw my circle, draw another one. Now I can start to dimension, whereby the first one is 292.2, then this one is 120, and I have one of 85 millimeters in diameter. Yes, I'm going to make this one constructional. Reason being, it's helping me to. It's going to help me. Oops, sorry. To put in holes. Yeah, so it's 10 millimeters. Like that. Yes, I'm going to extrude using a mid plane through 8 millimeters. Like that. Oops. Forgot something in the sketch, so I'll go and edit it very fast. I'll say circular sketch pattern, and it is this. Say okay. Yeah, that's what I left out. So still come here and say no more in sketch. We use this. Also make another construction line. Yeah, degrees in between 4.6.4, and I'll come here and draw a circle that is 5.08 times 2 in diameter, the distance of 4.53, just like that. And I'll come here, select the center, then I come and say the circle is given by 10.73 times 2. So like that. Yeah, so I'm going to do some trimming. But before that, I like to convert this also. Just like that. So I'm going to trim this off, that, then this off, this off, this off. I'm going to mirror this and this, so that, yeah, then I trim again, trim again, just like that. So come here and use a killer sketch pattern. This is going to be my pattern. I'm going to select 56, like that. And I'll come and say extrude cut through all both directions. Say okay. Yeah, so here we are so far. Going to bring the right plane, and I set to normal, and come here, draw a simple line. This will be like my mirror. Yeah, and from here, that point, I'm going to make it delete out this. I want to make this, actually no, let me repeat. Right plane, yes, I'm going to do only 2 millimeters there, just like that. And I can delete this, then I run towards the left, like that. I'm going to dimension this by giving it 7.09, like that. And I will stretch from that point to this point, just like that. I'm going to mirror this about this line, like that. Then I will use this, convert it to construction line. So I'll come here and do a revolve line for the axis of revolution. Also give it construction line bit, just like that. Come here and say revolve cut. The axis is this one, and that should give me, say okay, that should give me, yeah, so right, I think I've seen where the error was. Let me go back into this one, edit the sketch, first to normal. Yes, so I didn't dimension this. That was 2.09. Yeah, so let's see what we have. Yeah, so that's it. That's where we are, and this is the sprocket for the shaft that is connecting the wheels of the tractor. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I'm going to be making another sprocket, one from the engine, then one connecting the engine to the rear, okay, to the hub of the wheels. Yeah, thank you so much.